Do you think cats are cold? In today's video, we will prove it is just a myth with cute moments of cats, showing love to their humans. Let's begin. She needed a little warmth from this kitty to make her day. When her dad misplaces his mouse pad, this adorable cat comes to his aid. This cat is showing her chosen one some love.
He loves you.
There is always one small stinker in the group, and it's so cute to watch them act foolishly. It's really wonderful to watch this clever little kitten play pranks on her dad. It would be such a lovely morning if your gorgeous kitty woke you up.
What the
The fact that the cat trusts this man with all of his kittens proves that he is the greatest. When a person says no while adopting a cat, and the cat changes the person's attitude by choosing him as the favorite. Watch her response when the cat chooses her as the chosen one for the first time.
Addie! Just put her down. Yell at Dad.
Dad! Dad! Dad!
What? Oh my goodness, you guys are a mess.
So cute.
Who says a cat can't be taught tricks? The final little kiss says it all. For a girl who loves cats, this guy is a big plus. The cat wants to follow the same bedtime routine as the humans. It's very sweet to watch this cat assist him with the exercises.
Again, use your body weight to push the dough into itself. You might have to add a bit of flour until the dough is easier to work with, but don't overdo it or you'll throw off the balance of flour, yeast, salt, and water. Repeat this kneading action, turning, kneading.
Please share your comments below if you believe that cats can sense emotions. Does your cat do the same? The cat's expression is, "Give me the food or I'll take your eyes." Allow me to conclude this video. Please subscribe and let me know which of the 3 clips you thought was the best. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you adore your cat, hit the like button.